Everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a really simple way how you can delete permanently your Steam account. So let's start. Like, the steps are really simple, but it will take a little bit of the time. So what you want to do is this: go to right top corner, go to account details. When you're right here, you want to scroll down and you're gonna see here delete my Steam account. Click on it and you're gonna see like, okay, how it works. You will verify ownership of the account, Steam support will respond to your request, your account will be locked and then deleted in 30 days. Games that require a Steam account will not be playable after your account is deleted. This is really important. Now, let's proceed to account deletion. And now, what was the first email you used on your account? Just fill it, then provide also the phone number that you have. And you need to also add the type of card, like Visa, and last 4 digits of the card that you bought, and the color for the name. You need to all have it. And there in it is there like just some feedback to them, and then just send it. And it's pretty much it. So this is how you delete your Steam account. It's really simple. I'm not going to also delete my Steam account, of course, but this is how it is. So thank you everybody very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. Thank you everybody, and goodbye.